안녕하세요, 여러분. Hello, everyone. We first learned 8 basic vowels and then we learned 8 simple consonants in previous videos. Today, we will continue by learning compound vowels. The compound vowels we will learn today are created by adding a short stroke to the basic vowels a, o, u, e, and e. As a result, a Y sound is added. When you add a short stroke to a, it becomes ya. As a result of adding the short stroke, the Y sound is added. And when you add a short stroke to o, a Y sound is added, making it yo. Once you understand this principle, you've essentially already learned all the compound vowels we will learn today. This vowel is made by adding one short stroke to a. Then, what is the sound of this vowel? Yes, it's ya, ya, ya. And a short stroke is added to the vowel o, and it becomes yo, yo, yo. And this is yo, yo, yo. What is the sound of this vowel? Yes, it's you, you, you. This vowel is created by adding a short stroke to e, and it's ye, ye, ye. This is ye, ye, ye. Just like e and e, there is almost no difference in pronunciation between ye and ye. We've already learned all 6 compound vowels. Shall we practice reading the sounds created by combining consonants with the compound vowels we learned today? The first letter is K, K, K. How do you read this? It's 려, 려, 려. new, new, new. 펴, 펴, 펴. Just as the consonant S is pronounced as SH, when combined with the vowel E, it is also pronounced as SH when combined with the vowel ya, yo, yo, you, ye, and ye. So this letter is pronounced as 샤, 샤, 샤. So this is shoe, shoe, shoe. Let's practice learning and reading words that include the compound vowels we covered today. The first word is 우유, 우유, 우유. It means milk. What flavor of milk do you like? Do you know that there is banana flavored milk in Korea? It's very sweet and delicious. Please try it when you are in Korea. This word is 여기, 여기, 여기. It means here. And this is 여자, 여자, 여자. And it means women or female. And this is 요리, 요리, 요리. And it means cooking or dish. How do you read this word? Yes, it's 야구, 야구, 야구. Baseball is one of the most popular sports among Koreans. This means 주세요, 주세요, 주세요. It translates to please give me in English. If you want to buy detergent at a supermarket, you would say 세제 주세요, which means please give me detergent. So you can use this expression when shopping. This is 시계, 시계, 시계. And 시계 means clock or watch. This is my profession. 교수, 교수, 교수. It means professor. Today's class is already over. We learned 6 compound vowels today. 야, 여, 요, 유, 예, and 예. Please keep working hard on studying Hangul. 감사합니다. Thank you.